माता भूमि पुत्रो हम पृथ्वीव्याम। इस उक्ति के सापेक्ष में यह कहना नितांत ही सत्य होगा कि मानव का जीवन प्रकृति के बिना संभव ही नहीं है। हर युग, देश, काल और परिस्थिति में मानव की निर्भरता को प्रकृति के ऊपर नकारा नहीं जा सकता और एक शिक्षक होने के नाते हमारी ये जिम्मेदारी और बढ़ जाती है कि हम भावी संतति को प्रकृति के संरक्षण एवं संवर्धन के लिए तैयार करें, उसको प्रेरित करें और वो इस लायक बने कि वो प्रकृति के संरक्षण के लिए मंथन कर सके और अपना जीवन खुशियों से सराबोर कर सके। VK Senior Secondary School Jahangirabad creates a very healthy, green and protective environment conducive to learning while saving energy, environmental resources and money. And this journey for achieving this goal begins with educating our mentees in a healthy and sustainable environment. Here are few glimpses of the best practices what we put in our school for making a green school and for promoting the sustainability in all walks of life. Really, nature is the mother of all classrooms and we do the practice of protecting our natural environment in different way. Paintings have messages like Save Mother Earth, Go Green. We feed the plant for organic gardening and farming. Every flower is a soul blossoming in the nature. We see the bird house hanging for the tree, an entrance hole in the different shape. Havan and puja less the environmental stress. Drainage system of our water is the excellent source of water for landscape irrigation. Water harvesting decreases the soil erosion. Compost bin reduces methane emissions. We believe in eco-friendly toy for awakening a natural impulse for mud toys in all children. We promote for cycling and it reduces air pollutants. Gardening resides in the body, soul and mind among our children. They make a vertical garden, they make a green wall. They are very happy to see the living wall of our institutions. It gives the energy for all of us. We keep in mind the concept of nature-based education. Our teaching methodology includes time spent beyond the designated play area, nature infused into the indoor spaces. Nature is also brought into the classroom through physical materials but also in the selection of reading materials. Topics for a small group, activating and so form. Nature is infused into all aspects of the classroom and serves as a tool to achieve learning outcomes. We green the curriculum means being open to nature as teacher, the outdoors as classroom and sustaining life for all future generation. Birds chirpings increase the environmental consciousness. It reduces the stress level for all of us. Yoga bestows a healthy life and promotes well-being for achieving sustainable development goals. Our disciples explore the connection between the intricate practices of yoga and our environment. We agree with faith leaders around the world that change starts at home. They include the importance of sustainable living in regular worship time. We emphasize the sustainability of flora and fauna as on the well-being of birds by providing with fresh water, quality food and have a special love and care for roaming animals and their breed.
Hello everyone, myself Rishika from VK Senior Secondary School, Jhangiabad, Bulandshahr. See, this is my vertical garden. In this vertical garden, I have used some old old bottles and some old boxes. I love to grow plants. See, this is all a waste material. Thank you.
No nature, no life. Without nature, there is no life.